Hey guys, this is just a quick tip to know how you can create a 3D formula in Excel. Well, if the data you have is not too complicated and can be turned into identical sheets, then it becomes so convenient to create formulas. Here I have an annual sales data file, and since the data was not that complicated, I spent some time to turn it into identical sheets. Now, what I want is to create some formulas so that I can create a report and come up with some recommendations. Let's get the total of the sales here. Normally, what happens is you select a sheet, then the concerned cell, and put a plus sign next to it. Then you go to another sheet and do the same till the last sheet and close the formula by putting the closing parenthesis at the end of the formula to get the total of the data. Well, there's nothing wrong with that, but still there are some drawbacks of writing the formula this way. Like, what if you have 20 or 30 plus sheets? The formula gets too long. It will take time. There are chances you might forget putting the plus sign somewhere along the way, or you might skip a sheet. Then it will turn into a total frustration. Well, to save yourself from such frustration, there is a better and efficient way of writing formulas on such identical sheets. And such formulas are normally known as 3D formulas. And just for the purpose of demonstration, I am creating a sum formula. Now, select the cell where you want the total and start writing your formula. In my case, a sum formula. Now, select the first sheet and then press the shift key on your keyboard and then select the last sheet. It will just select everything in between and create a range. And then just simply click on the concerned cell and close the formula by putting the parenthesis at the end and hit enter. Now you can see that the formula is quite concise and easy to write, and also there is almost no chance of making mistake of writing such formula if the sheets are identical. Well, there are issues with such formulas too, like if you by chance add a new sheet, or drag an existing sheet within the range, it will get included. And the data will become part of the range, which will give you an unrealistic total unless it is intentional. So, to save yourself from doing that, the range can be color coded or added a unique name with every sheet within the range, sort of things. Anyhow, this is how you can create 3D formulas in Excel which are concise and easy to write. And I hope this tip will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.